Introducing the Advanced Witness Series AWS-30100 Intellect Torque Tester, a powerful and versatile testing solution designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's production facilities. This state-of-the-art torque tester combines exceptional accuracy, user-friendly features, and robust construction to provide precise and reliable torque measurements, covering a wide torque range from 100 to 1000 lb. The AWS-30100 is suitable for testing various applications and tightening requirements. With bidirectional testing capabilities, this torque tester allows you to measure torque in both clockwise (CW) and counterclockwise (CCW) directions, ensuring comprehensive evaluations. The AWS-30100 features a user-friendly interface with a large backlit LCD display, making it easy to navigate through various functions and settings. The tester's robust welded steel housing guarantees durability and reliability, even in demanding production environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS-30100 Intellect Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and durability make it an indispensable tool for production facilities seeking reliable and efficient torque measurements. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the difference it brings to your quality control processes.